I've been reflecting on the story of Job lately, and it's a tale that resonates deeply with the essence of human resilience. You see, it's not just some ancient narrative. It's a profound exploration of faith, endurance, and the triumph of the human spirit. Now pay attention, because this story, it's no mere fable. It's about a man who faced unimaginable loss and yet found the strength to rise again. Now, here's the thing about Job. He was a good man, righteous and blameless. He had it all: wealth, family, respect. But then Satan comes along and challenges God, claiming Job's faith is merely a product of his blessed life. And God, in his infinite wisdom, allows Satan to test Job. Now, you might ask, why would God do that? Well, that's the crux of the matter, isn't it? Job's life crumbles around him. His wealth, gone. His children, dead. Everything he had built, everything he loved, stripped away in an instant. But it doesn't end in there. Oh, no. It gets worse. Job is afflicted with painful sores from head to toe. His wife, she tells him to curse God and die. Can you imagine?
Curse God and die.
Then come Job's friends. They sit with him in silence for 7 days. That's true friendship, by the way.
Surely your sins have brought this upon you.
I am innocent, yet God allows me to suffer.
God does not pervert justice. You must have done wrong.
If you put away the sin that is in your hand, your life will be brighter than noonday.
Finally, God himself speaks. And let me tell you, it's not what you might expect.
Where were you when I laid the earth's foundation?
Job realizes his place in the grand scheme of things and repents for questioning God's ways. And then, well, the story takes a turn. God restores Job's fortunes, giving him twice as much as he had before. New children, new wealth, a new life. But here's the kicker. Job's suffering wasn't erased. It was part of his journey, part of what made him who he was. And that, my friends, is a testament to the enduring power of faith and the ultimate triumph of the human spirit. So, what do we take from all this? The story of Job is a powerful testament to faith, resilience, and the triumph of the human spirit. It shows us that even when we don't understand our suffering, there is a greater purpose. It's a call to humility, trust, and unwavering perseverance. In a world that often seems chaotic and unfair, these are the lessons that inspire us to keep going. Life will test you, but your response defines your strength and character. Remember this. It's in the crucible of suffering that our true character and resilience are forged.